Good evening. Could I have a table for two, please?
Of course. Do you prefer a booth or a table by the window?
A table by the window would be great, thank you.
Right this way. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Here are your menus. Would you like to start with something to drink?
Yes, could I have a glass of water, please?
I'll take an orange juice, please.
Certainly. I'll be right back with your drinks. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
We're ready. I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
And I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce.
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you.
How is everything? Is the food to your liking?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you for checking. Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Would you like to pay together or separately?
Together, please.
Here's your bill. You can pay at the counter or right here.
We'll pay here. Thank you for the excellent service.
Thank you for dining with us. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. Everything was lovely.
We'll definitely come back again.